So here's a little Roomba tips for you. Do you think this filter can be saved? It's full of dust, super heavy. And the answer is absolutely yes. All you need, some general purpose cleaner and a hose with some pressure. The first thing I'm gonna do is get those nasty dust out of the filter first. Spray some general purpose cleaner, soak it front and back, and in the end, after 3 minutes, rinse it, and it's gonna be as good as new. Okay, I promise you. Let it dry fully and you can reuse it. Now this is with the wash we just did yesterday. It's nice and dry now, ready to use. So if you have 2 filters, you could save a lot of money by just simply washing the filter instead of throwing it away. Okay, super easy to do, and it's gonna save you a lot of money in the long run. This is just like that, and even worse day before.